Hello, welcome to Class 9 Pre-Boards to the Icse Pre-Boards Maths paper of 2020. This is the continuation video of the earlier 3 videos. Okay, now in this video we will be solving questions 7 and 8 of ICSE Maths Pre-Boards 2020. So, shall we begin? Question number 7. A. Solve the following pair of linear equations using cross multiplication method, and here we have the two equations. Let us solve them. For the cross multiplication method, we have to bring all the terms to the left hand side and we have to make it like 2x minus 5y minus 14 equal to 0. The second equation also, x plus 2y plus 2 will be equal to 0. So remember to convert this into ax plus by plus c equal to 0 in that format. So here we will have a equal to 2, here we'll have b equal to minus 5 and c equal to minus 14. And because it's the first equation, we'll call it a1, b1, c1. And this side, it will be a2 equal to 1, then 2y, so b2 equal to plus 2, so c2 equal to 2. Now, simultaneous equation for cross multiplication, we have to make b1, c1, a1, b1, and below that we'll have to write b2, c2, a2, b2. And now this side we will write the values. So b1 is minus 5, c1 is minus 14, a1 is 2 and b1 is minus 5. And below this, exactly one below the other, we will be writing b2 means 2, c2 means again 2, a2 means 1 and b2 once again it will be 2. Now we are going to write our formula. Our x is equal to, you have to know this by heart. It will be, write BC minus BC. So it will be B1 C2 minus B2 C1 upon, we will have A1 B2 minus A2 B1. And this side we will write y formula, which will be C1 A2 minus C2 A1 upon this denominator and this denominator will remain the same. So A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Got that? Now to substitute B1 C2, we will do cross multiplication like this. So this will be like so. So minus 5 into 2. So we will write it like so. Minus B2 C1. So here also it will be B2 C1. So that will be 2 into minus 14. Then let us write the numerator here this side. So for this we will have C1A2. So we will take this way, minus 14 into 1 minus C2A1. So we will do C2A1. So that will be 2 into 2. The denominator is your A1, B2. So we'll go this way and this way. So here it will be this way and then this way. So it will be these two multiplied. So 2 into 2 and minus sign and then 1 into minus 5. And the same thing will repeat over here. So 2 into 2 minus 1 into minus 5. Now it is simple. The only problem is this step. This you have to be very careful. This will be minus 10 and plus it will be 14 to 28 and denominator 4 minus into this will be minus 5, so plus 5. And for our y value, it will be minus 14 minus 4 and here it will be exactly the same 4 and here plus 5. So we will have 28 minus 10, that is 18 upon 9, which is equal to 2. And here it will be minus 18 upon 9, which is minus 2. So we have therefore x equal to 2, y equal to minus 2, and this is our answer. Some of your teachers may also ask you to write solution set as x and y values like so. Depends upon your teacher, and that is our answer. 7b. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. This is the quadrilateral. BP is drawn parallel to AC. BP is parallel to AC and BP meets DC produced. BP meets DC produced at P. Prove that area of triangle AOB, that is this triangle, is equal to area of triangle COP, that is this triangle. And the second part, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle APD, this one. In order to solve this, we will have to first draw the diagram on our answer sheet, and we have to also write what is given. So let us see how we write it. Given was ABCD is a quadrilateral, so we have ABCD is a quadrilateral and BP is parallel to AC. That's all we need to write. And then to prove that area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle COP. Now let us look at our diagram, our AOB and COP. This is the purple triangle and this is the blue triangle. They have to be equal in area. Now if they are equal in area, then we must make use of these parallel lines. Okay, now look at this. If we take AOB triangle and if we add AOC to that, we will get this triangle here like so. This one. Okay, and if we are adding this orange triangle to COP, then we will get this triangle. Can you see that? Yeah. Now what can you say about ABC triangle and APC triangle? They are having the same base and they lie between the same parallels. And so we are going to start writing our solution. Our point number 1 is that BP is parallel to AC, and that is given. Statement number 2, area triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle APC, and this will be because of statement 1, and areas of triangles having same base, that is AC is the same base, and between same parallels, that is AC and BP, they are equal. Okay, now statement number 3, your ABC is made of purple triangle and the orange triangle, so we will write area triangle AOB plus area triangle AOC is equal to this one, APC becomes area triangle AOC plus blue triangle, that is area triangle COP. Okay, now this will be because of the diagram. Now you will see AOC from both sides, both the triangles will get cancelled, and then fourth one will have therefore area triangle AOB is equal to area triangle COP. This will be from statement 3 and proved the first part. Got that? Now next part, they are asking us area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to ABP. Now area of ABCD will be this triangle ABC plus APC, and area of triangle APD will be this blue triangle and orange APC plus ADC. So we are taking statement number 2. That is ABC triangle and APC triangle. To each of them we will add ADC. So to statement number 2 we are adding this area. So let us see how we write it. Statement number 5 is area triangle ABC plus area triangle ADC will be equal to area triangle APC plus area triangle ADC, and here it will be from statement 2 adding area triangle ADC to each side. Now let's look at the diagram. We have written ABC plus ADC. ABC plus ADC is quadrilateral ABCD. So we will write just that. Therefore, area quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, so we got these two. Now APC and ADC, let us look. APC plus ADC is ADP triangle. So that is area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle APD, and this is from diagram and statement number 5 and proved second part. So that is how we solve this question. This was a 7B question. Now let us look at 7C. The cost of mowing a circular field at rupees 16 per square meter is rupees 2464. Find number 1, the total area of the field, the radius of the circular field, and the cost of fencing the field at rupees 12 per meter. So we write down the data, and remember it's a circular field. So I'll just show a diagram like this, and this is the area to be mowed, and that area for mowing costs 2464 rupees. So if I want the area, I'll say 1 meter square costs 16 rupees. So these many rupees will be for how many square meters? So we will have area of circle will be equal to the total cost upon the rate. That will give us 2464 upon 16, and that gives us 8 2s, 8 3s, 8 zeros, 8 8s, 2 1s. So it is 154 meters square. But area of circle is formula wise, it is pi r square. So we got to connect it with the formula. So 154 is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. Therefore, our r square is equal to 154 multiplied by 7 upon 22. 22 goes 7 times here, which is equal to 49. Therefore, radius is equal to 7 meters. Now, area of the circular field, we got this. We found our radius also 7 meter, and this was our answer 2. And then the third part is find the cost of fencing. Now the fencing will go right round, which means you have to find the circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r, which will be 2 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius is 7. 7 gets cancelled and we will have 44 meter. And so the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 12 per meter will be equal to rate multiplied by the circumference. That will be equal to 12 multiplied by 44. It comes out to be rupees 12 fours 48, carry 4, 12 fours 48 and 4 52. So we have 528 rupees, and that is our answer 3. So we have finished with question number 7. Question number 8 is a trigo question. In the given triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, AB is 13, that is this, BD is 5 centimeter and DC is 4 centimeter, and we have to find the value of AD and then tan x plus cot y, where this is y degrees and this is our x degrees. So the question is to find AD. We first draw the diagram. Now what I want you to do is every time you see me solving this, you draw the diagram, you put this video on pause and start writing on your own. And when you're stuck, then you look at the video and check your steps. Alright? So AD is part of this triangle, right? And we have 13 centimeter, 5 centimeters, and we have to find AD. So we will write in right triangle ADB by Pythagoras theorem. We will have AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. So it will be 13 square is equal to AD square plus 5 square. We are just substituting the values. Therefore, AD square will be equal to 13 square minus 5 square, which is 169 minus 25. And so our AD will be under root 144, which will be 12 centimeter. So this becomes our answer 1. So we will write here 12 centimeter in the diagram for AD. Now they are asking us tan x and cot y, these values. So for tan x, we have to take this triangle and tan x will be opposite, that is DC upon AD. Okay, so we will say tan x degrees will be equal to DC upon AD, which is 4 upon 12, which is 1 upon 3. Then we will look at cot y. Now cot y degrees is equal to, for y we have to take this triangle ABD. Y will have tan equal to AD upon BD. So cot will be BD upon AD. BD is 5 and AD is 12. 5 upon 12. Okay, that is your cot y. Now we are asked to find tan x plus cot y. So we will write it on this side. Tan x degrees plus cot y degrees will be equal to tan x value we had got as 1 upon 3 plus this is 5 upon 12. So we will take the LCM, which is 12. So 3 4s 12 and 12 ones. So here it will be like so. And we will get 9 upon 12, which is 3 upon 4. And that is our answer. Now we come to question 8b. Log a to the base 2 is equal to 3. Log b to the base 3 is equal to 2. And log c to the base 4 is equal to 1. And find the value of 3a plus 2b minus 10c. So we have to find the value of 3a plus 2b minus 10c. So if we are given the values of log a to the base 2 equal to 3, we can easily say that 2 to the power 3, and that is the value of a. So we'll have a equal to 2 to the power 3. And here we will have 3 to the power 2 will be b, and 4 to the power 1 will be the value of c. Okay, now we will write this 3a plus 2b minus 10c equal to 3 into bracket a means 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into bracket b means 3 to the power 2 minus 10 into bracket c means 4 to the power 1. So that gives us 3 into 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 into 3 square is 9 and minus 10 into 4 to the power 1 is 4. So that gives us here 24 plus 18 minus 40. These two give you 42 minus 40, and so we have 2, which is our answer. 8c. Use the graph paper for this question. Draw the graph of 3x minus 2y equal to 5 and 2x is equal to 3y on the same axis. Use 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes and plot only 3 points per line. Write the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines and also find the area of the triangle formed by the lines and the y-axis. Now look at this graph paper. We have written the scale on both axes as 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit, just as it was given in our question paper. So we have divided this, the length of it and the breadth of it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares, and this way also there will be 10 squares. It's a square. So on the fifth line we have drawn the y-axis, and then we have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 boxes, we have marked this line over here. This is your x-axis. For every 2 centimeters, we write here 1 unit, then another unit, then another unit. So on x-axis, we have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus 5. About the x-axis here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then below also it will be minus 1, minus 2 going up to minus 5. For our graph question, that is 8c, we will first write the equations and we will make y as the subject of the equation. So take 2y this side, so it will become positive. 5 comes this side, so it becomes 3x minus 5 equal to 2y, and so y is equal to this upon 2. So 3x minus 5 upon 2 we have written. Then we have to make the table because we have to plot the values. When we have to plot the graph, x values we have to take in such a way that our y will be a whole number. So now by trial and error, I have got these values x equal to plus 3, minus 1 and 1. So if it is plus 3, then 3 3 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 upon 2 is 2. If I take x equal to minus 1, this becomes minus 3, minus 5 makes it minus 8 upon 2, that is minus 4. If it is 1, then 3 ones 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 upon 2 gives us minus 1. Our second equation is 2x is equal to 3y. So y is equal to 2x upon 3. So we make the columns here x and y equal to 2x upon 3. And here again I am going to take three values of x minus 3, 0 and 3. Now I have to take x as a multiple of 3 because we have to divide by 3. So 2 into minus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled, and minus 1 into 2 will give us minus 2. If x is 0, 0 upon 3 will be 0. So 0 and 0. When it is x equal to 3, then 2 into 3, 3 gets cancelled, and you will have 2 as the value of y. So what are our points to be plotted? 3, 2, minus 1, minus 4, 1, minus 1 for this line, and minus 3, minus 2, 0, 0 and 3, 2 for this line. Okay, so let us see how we plot the points. Now I have written the table here. So the first point to be plotted is 3, 2. So this is 3 and this is 2, and this is a point. I'm marking it with ink because pencil will not show so clearly. The second point is minus 1, minus 4. You can rewind and just have a look at it. Minus 1, minus 4. So we have minus 1 is here and y is minus 4, which is here. So this is our second point. And 1, minus 1. So 1, minus 1, this is our third point. So we are going to join these 3 points. You can see the 3 points. So you can see the graph. Now after you join the points, you have to write the equation of this line like so. Now for our second line, our points are here minus 3, minus 2, 0, 0 and 3, 2. So this is a minus 3 and this is minus 2. So this is our first point. Then we have 0, 0, that is this point, and then 3, 2 is the same this point. So now we are going to join this also. If I use the pencil, it will become too light and you will not be able to see clearly. So the point of intersection is this one. This is 3, 2, and let us call that point as P. Okay. I have written 8C, point of intersection P 3, 2, that is answer 1. For the second part, they are asking us to find the area of the triangle formed by the lines with the y-axis. With the y-axis, this is the y-axis and these are the two lines. So let us call this point as O and this we will call as A. So it will be the area of triangle OAP. It will be half of this base and this height. Now base is here 1 unit, 2 unit, and this is half a unit. So base is 2.5 units and the height is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. So we will write area of triangle formed by the lines with y-axis is the area of triangle OAP, which will be half base into height. Now half base is 2.5 units and the height is 3 units. So that gives us 7.5 upon 2, which is equal to 236, 2 7s 14 and 2 5. So 3.75 square units. And this is our answer 2. Okay, so we understood this. So We have now finished solving questions 7 and 8. Hope you have understood everything from this pre-boards maths paper 2020 up to now. We shall end our video here, and in the next video we will solve the last 3 questions of this paper. So look out for the next video, okay? Also, I will soon be launching my online course, so do look out for that too. In the meantime, stay safe and thank you for watching.